Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Pete333 here. See behind me, we're working on the daily, getting ready for what is going to be show season. Probably not, because coronavirus. Probably all the shows have been cancelled by now, but we're going to put the new coilovers on and put the wheels on. Not teasing you guys with cutting off the footage there. I actually had problems with my GoPro and filming. We did do an alignment on it. Been driving it a few days now. Sitting pretty nicely where I want it. The rear is as low as it can go. Front I want to add a little bit more camber to, which I'm going to do now. Give it a quick wash and get some nice shots for the video here. So let's jump into it and take a look at it. Got all the scuttle panel and wiper assembly out again. Now we can adjust the camber on these top plates. Thanks for watching the video. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll also leave my links to my Instagram and Facebook down in the description. And also, if you haven't seen it already, go check the Starlet build out. See ya!